Hello and welcome to Postgres Cafe. We're here today with Stefan from Bene. Stefan, would you mind introducing yourself just a little?
Yes, of course, but I'm not prepared for this. Uh, I'm Stefan. I'm a pre-sales consultant at Bene since 5 months. My I'm an old database administrator since 20 years with Oracle, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. So I have a long experience with databases.
That is awesome. Thank you for introducing yourself. I understand you're here today to talk about Citus Data. I'd love to know a little bit more about why does Citus Data exist? What problems is it meant to solve?
That's okay. Citus Data, at first, Citus Data has been developed because it addresses several challenges and limitations associated with traditional PostgreSQL databases, in particular in the context of scalability, performance, and managing large datasets. For the first point, in the development point of view, Citus helps in solving the distributed data modeling problem by providing methods in distributed data modeling bases to map workloads, like shading tables based on primary keys, which is particularly useful for microservices and high throughput workloads. About the scalability, Citus enables the horizontal scaling of PostgreSQL databases by distributing data across multiple nodes. You can handle large datasets and high traffic workloads efficiently by allowing the combination of CPU, memory, storage, and I/O capacity of multiple machines. You can add more worker nodes to the cluster and rebalance the shards as the volume of data grows, like you slipping the tables. About the performance, that's improved because Citus uses efficiently the distributed query engine and parallelize queries and batch execution across multiple worker nodes. In case you have to handle 1,000 to million statements per second, Citus optimize data ingestion by finding the right shard placement, connecting to the appropriate worker nodes, and performing operation in parallel. This ensures high throughput and low latency for real-time data absorption. About the last point concerning high availability and data redundancy, you can create redundant copy of tables and sharding data across multiple nodes. This ensures that the database remains resilient and available even in the event of node failures. It also supports replication and automatic failover solution to maintain high availability. But don't forget, Citus is an extension to PostgreSQL rather than a fork. That means that you can continue to use the latest PostgreSQL feature and tools like advanced joins, subqueries, user-defined function, or other extension like PostGIS.
Exactly, yeah. That's like Citrus is long time here, and I'm really happy that it's used by many. It is like so many people's choice for sharding, I think, and
Yeah,
you explain all the cases very well.
yeah.
So you also, I think, support the contributions to Citrus. Do you also have like you contribute to Citrus in Databene, or how does it work?
Yeah. In Databene, we contribute to Citus, but the customer and end user of Citus data just know what is necessary and the best for them with this extension. Our commitment and partnership with Microsoft on this project will enable us to contribute to the development of new feature and the maintenance of this project. Just for your information, why this is Microsoft, because Citus has been developed by three guys, with three co-founders in 2011 and acquired by Microsoft since 2019, sorry. So we support your initiatives because we ensure the longevity of the project, the development of our team skills, and the reputation of the software in the PostgreSQL community.
That's a great answer. Thank you. I like this about Postgres community, that we feel like
Yeah,
when we contribute something is for everybody's benefit, for us internally, for our customers. Yeah, thank you.
it's benefit for all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Which does bring me to ask too, what teams or people can best benefit from using this tool in real world situations?
I think all the team in IT support or IT company is a benefit from using this tool. But in particular, DevOps teams can benefit from using Citus Data to build out distributed architecture for their PostgreSQL instances. For the end users, such as business analysts who are seeking efficient performance when handling vast amounts of data. And of course, DBAs to build distributed architecture too.
Exactly. Yeah. So when I hear like Citus, I know Citus has been a long time around, but there are new solutions for kind of handling similar stuff, like one way or another, distributing Postgres and sharding and so on. What are your opinions about it? Like, which tools are comparable, and do you like some of them, and how does Citus kind of look comparing to them?
Yeah. I think there is a lot of solution for distributed data architecture data for PostgreSQL instance, but not really as good. There is the solution in the world of distributed databases, each with their own strengths and trade-offs. Some of them are TimesSQL DB, which is an open source database designed for analyzing data. But that's all. Another one is CockroachDB, a distributed SQL database, but more complex and less getting started. Another one is YugabyteDB, based on a key value store with an SQL layer on top, with higher latency and different performance characteristics compared to Citus. And of course, you have the traditional Postgres built-in partitioning, replication, and other features which can provide some level of scalability. So
Yeah.
if you want more information about Citus Data, don't hesitate to contact us, because Data Bene has the skill to help you to do your project.
Oh, that's good to know. And I know all these tools are very popular, and yeah, also the definition of distribution of database is also like, when we say distributed architecture, it can go so many ways, right? Like we can distribute the different workloads and the scalability part of it, or like writing the distribution writings. So it's like kind of, yeah. But for Citus, so people know that they can contact you.
Thank you so much.
And thank
Definitely
you
help.
for coming
No
here.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, designing the architecture of something like that is definitely, it gets complicated quick. And so can configuring it so you actually are maximizing the benefits that you can get out of that extension or Postgres itself. So thank you very much for joining us today, Stefan.
Thank you so
We're
much.
happy to have you.
Yeah. Thank you. And yeah, see you around. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.